The CIMI component is part of a larger exhibition, so we have installed it into the full panel. So you can see it's all about wind turbine use and power production using wind turbines in Massachusetts. So we did redo the back panel graphic, but just to update it a little bit. The primary part of the component that was involved in the CIMI project was just this section here. So when a visitor comes up, they have an introduction screen. They can either touch a button to begin, or if they find the screen first, tactilely,
press a round button below the screen to begin.
It instructs them with audio as well to press one of the buttons.
Wind turbine, power production graph. On this graph, the horizontal axis shows the wind speed in 5 mph increments. The vertical axis shows the power the turbine produced in 500-watt increments. You can either touch the horizontal line along the bottom of the screen to hear the trend line, or touch the large rectangular graph area above to explore individual data points. A higher pitch means more power was produced, and static means there is no data at that point. For more information, press the square button mounted on the tabletop. Now you can explore on your own.
So that full introduction only happens with the first graph that you trigger. If you want to hear more of the information again, you can press the more audio button and it plays a lot of a more elaborate version of that same introduction. Also on the panel here we had 3D printed tactile versions of the turbines with a human for scale next to them. And now I'll show you how to explore by touching the screen and the audio feedback you get.
Average power production, 95 watts in winds of 8 miles per hour. 5 miles per hour. Turbine produced 1,181 watts in winds of 15 miles per hour. 8 data points. Power generated in watts. Wind speed in miles per hour. 10 miles per hour. Turbine produced 963 watts in winds of 10. Image of SkyStream wind turbine. AVX1000 wind turbine. Power production graph. (10 miles per hour). Average power production, 0 watts in winds of 10 miles per hour.